Okay, here we are back again. Here is an interesting little experiment measuring the tolerance of a 74hc74373. I could probably look at the data sheet for this, but it's more fun to try it out for myself. Anyway, there's our 373, that's the little chip there. Don't worry about this great big one over here, that's just a microcontroller. And it's set up to it so it's chip enable and outputs are enabled. And I'm just using the very first input, which is a D0, and that comes from this yellow wire, which goes up to this 10k variable resistor, and the Q0 comes out through this LED and this 1k resistor to ground. So it's just basically showing whether it's on or off. And I also have my multimeter recording what is coming out of the variable resistor. It's I just chucked it together and I really didn't pay much attention. It's got ground and 5 volts on either of the outer legs, and the inner leg is the one that is being recorded and used as the input to the chip. Anyway, moving along. Bit messy. So I will use my handy dandy multi-tool to turn the it's all the way at one edge, which is reading 5 volts out, which is reading 5 volts into here, which is obviously giving an output through the latch of 5 volts. And the 5 volts through the latch won't change, but as we change the input down, as you can see, I'm turning the variable resistor, and the voltage is dropping, just rescaling, and we're on about 3.5 now, and down to 3. We can still see that the light is on, meaning there's 5 volts coming out of the chip, so the register is recognizing 2.7 volts as a positive digital signal. And we can drop down to 2.4, 2.2, bring it down to 2 and see what happens there. So 2, we are getting a positive signal at 2 volts. Down a bit further. I have no idea what it is actually going to be, but we'll discover that quite shortly. Oh, look at that. 1.5 it looks like. 1.6. All good. 1.57. So we're on there. 1.58. So there we go, 1.5 is the threshold where the voltage will turn off the digital output. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember to rate and subscribe. Thank you very much.